guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm just going to rebuild my MGP back up. T-bars, we love T-bars. Monster Energy stickers, sacrifice and all that. I'm just going to rebuild it back up as it was.
You ready for this whip?
It used to be so good. It used to be like one of my only scooters. Oh, it used to be my only scooter in fact. It was my first scooter and I don't know how I kept all the parts. But then I moved to Slam, my neochrome deck, and then I moved to custom from BMX Scooter Shop. I don't know, I just bought a massive bunch of stuff. And I do a time lapse and we're going to do it of me and Ozzy building it up. We're going to use this and all that, and yeah.
Don't go, 'cause I'm here. You can run, I'm not done, I won't disappear. I can get you out of my mind. Feels like running back. Let me hold you. I believe I won't be here without you. I can get you out of my mind. I can feel it in my arms, even though you're not around. Trust me now, we'll be just fine. We'll keep the fight. Through your love, I'll see the light. We'll keep walking through the night. We'll keep walking through the night. We'll keep the fight. Miss you is just words of emotion. My heart is deep, it feels like the ocean now. You know I have a lot of devotion, 'cause my heart is deep like the ocean now. Let me feel, is this real? I can't take a leap of faith. I can't get you out of my mind. In my arms, even though you're not around. Trust me now, we'll be just fine. We'll keep the fight. Through your love, I'll see the light. We'll keep walking through the night. We'll keep walking through the night. We'll keep the fight.
Recording. We finished it. And by the way, we had to like full on smack the bars on to get it done. But we'll show you what it used to sound like. So it used to sound absolutely awful. We used to have some, you know these blue wheels down here? Come on here. They used to rattle like crazy. But now we put these wheels back on, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. Let's hope it sounds a lot better. That sounds way better. It used to rattle like mad. Dude, you ready? Buttercup. Not literally, buttercup motion. Oscar might want to move for this bit. Let's try it.
Didn't even get that on the card.
We'll get rid of them. Again, Oscar. Buttercup motion. Let's go. I might actually start using this for like tricks and that, if I can put the brake back on. Oh, should I do that? Put the brake back on. I'm going to put the brake back on. Time lapse, Ozzy. Basically, we think we've found the screws to the brake and we're going to try and put them back on right now.